Hi everyone! Today, I will show you how to change the color scheme on Shopify. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. You can grab the link to this tool in the description below if you want to follow along. So with that, let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, look at the left sidebar menu and click on Online Store. This will automatically open up your themes page. Click the Edit Theme button to open up the live website editor. Look at the top left bar and click on the gear icon. This is your theme settings. From the Settings menu, click on the Colors tab. Here, you will see your store's existing color schemes. Click on any color scheme to edit it. You can now click on specific elements like background or text. Choose a new color using the visual color picker or by typing in a hex color code. If you want to change the color scheme of a specific section of your website, simply click on that section. In its editor preview, find the Color Scheme drop-down menu and select your desired scheme. Once you are happy with how your store looks, look at the top right corner and click Save. And that is it. You have successfully learned how to change the color scheme on Shopify. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides. Don't forget to add to cart your next big idea. Until next time.